Hello everyone, my name's Jack, and today we have part 5 of the CN Tower bird's eye view. So today we got those little buildings. I see those two buildings with a bunch of holes in them. Looks like you can play basketball with those, just throwing a bunch of big balls. So you got, I think that's a solar panel right there. If you look hard enough, see the solar panel, and you can see little Central Park. I don't know what that is. It looks like a park. And from here you get a better view of the other side. I think if you look hard enough, there's a Sun Life Financial. I'll show you in part 6. That'd be easier.
Isn't that weird? I feel like we're so much higher.
And my dad is scared of this whole thing. Part 5. Traffic. We got those little 2 buildings. They look exactly the same. Those 2 buildings. There's a bunch of buildings. They all look like they have the same architecture. See you soon in part. Oh, look! Wait. The boat.
Don't you put your mitts over the edge?
Well, see you guys.